The Forgetyo YTX20L-BS Lithium Battery delivers strong, cold-cranking performance in a compact, lightweight case that is easy to handle during installation. Compared with traditional lead-acid options, this LiFePO4 battery is dramatically lighter, cranks engines more eagerly, and lasts far longer in regular power sports use. Its integrated battery management system actively guards against overcharging, deep discharge, and short circuits, helping the cells stay healthy over many seasons. Charging is straightforward and efficient with a suitable lithium charger, reaching a full charge in only a few hours while still prioritizing long-term battery health. The casing and terminal layout are designed to match many common YTX20 series fitments, making it a practical drop-in upgrade for a wide range of motorcycles and powersports machines. Riders who use motorcycles, all-terrain vehicles, personal watercraft, snowmobiles, and even lawn equipment will appreciate how one battery platform can reliably serve so many different applications.